So if you can look at them when they lift their head, you'll see the different, what I was talking about, the ossicles. If you can look to the right, those are the two boys. I'm not sure about the one, but looks like a female. So you can tell the different, the horns. You see that? Males, the horns are thick and bold on top. Like on top of them, they don't have a fur. They rub off when they fight. I'm not sure what tree that they're feeding on, but also they prefer these ones here. You see the acacia with the white thorns? They love this one. And also if you can put your hand on that tree, lots of scars. But them, like with their they sensing with those eyelashes, and the tongue is very good at pulling those small leaves in between the thorns there. And these ones, they look all young. Those are the youngish giraffes. There's one coming out. Yeah, that's definitely a female, that one there. And giraffe, you might think that they are very they're very dangerous. I've watched them, the wild dogs trying to take down their baby. They are very, very dangerous animals. They can kick, but they're very, very good in kicking. They're very dangerous animals. You might think that they just they're quiet. They're very, very dangerous.
But they're very protective
of their baby as well. Yes. And they can also kick backwards and forward. And also they can use back legs and the front legs to kick. Yes. No, what I'm trying to say, if they can kick forward like this, and they can kick backward. So they are collective now. As they're moving, like this one moving, coming towards us, we call them journey, a journey of giraffes. So when they're standing up, like feeding, like standing, we call them tower. Journey of giraffes. Beautiful. So the color, it doesn't matter, because you can find them, some they're very dark, some they're light in color, some they're pale. So it's all about genes, nothing to do with like it's a male or female, or it's just genes. You can find a female like this, very dark. As you can see, this one at the back, you see she's getting like a darkish color. So it is just the genes. They sit, but the neck stays straight up. Now in the night. In the night. And it's also not a deep sleep. It's just like a rest. It's about 20 minutes.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, they sleep for just 20 minutes, just a few minutes. Sleep and wake up. Sleep, wake up. It's just not just a deep sleep.